Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1, HCF and LCM. In previous video, we have seen co-prime numbers. Now today, let us see new point, twin prime numbers. So let us see definition for this point. If the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. It means that here we have to take two co-prime numbers and the difference between these two co-prime numbers should be 2. Then we can say that numbers are twin prime numbers. Let us see example 3, 5. See, 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. It means their common factor is 1. And see, difference between these two numbers, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Therefore 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Similarly 5, 7, 11, 13, 29, 31, these are the pairs of twin prime numbers. Now let us see this example 5, 7. So first we have to find the factors of 5. 5 is divisible by 1, 5. See, in 2 and 3 table and 4 table, 5 is not there. So therefore we can say that 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. Therefore factors of 5, 1 and 5. Similarly factors of 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7. So these are the factors of 7. Check in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 and 6 table. 7 is not there. So 7 is completely divisible by 1 and 7. Therefore 1 and 7 are the factors of 7. So here we have to find common factor. So common factor of these two numbers 5 and 7, that is 1. And therefore 5 and 7 are co-primes. Now we have to find difference between these two numbers. So 7 minus 5, that is 2. So difference between these two co-prime numbers is 2. Therefore these two numbers are twin prime numbers. Therefore here we can say that 5 and 7 are, or this pair is twin prime number pair. Suppose 5, 7 are twin prime numbers. Or if we say pair, then this pair is twin prime number. Now let us see practice set 10. See the question number 1. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? So already we have seen in previous video, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So here we can write 1. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now let us see number 2. Which of the following are pairs of co-primes? So here we have to use the definition of co-primes. It means co-primes means factor is, common factor is 1. So let us see first 8 and 14. So factors of 8, it means 8 is completely divisible by 1. See, in 2 table 8 is there, 2 4s are 8. See, in 3 table 8 is not there, 4 2s are 8. See, in 5 and 6 table 8 is not there, therefore directly we can write 8. 1 2 4 8. Now factors of 14. So 14 is divisible by 1. In 2 table 14 is there, 2 7s are 14. See, in 3 table 14 is not there. Check in 4th table. In 4th table also 14 is not there. Sin 5 stable, 6 stable, 14 is not there, and sin 7 stable, 14 is there, 7 2s are 14, and itself number 14 1s are 14. Now common factors of 8 and 14. So here 1 is common, 2 is also common. So here we got two common factors. Here 1 is not only the common factor, so 2 is also common factor of these two numbers. Therefore we can say that 8 14 are not coprimes. So this pair is not coprime numbers. Now let us see second pair 4 5. So first we have to find factors of 4. So 4 is divisible by 1, 2, sin 3 stable 4 is not there, and 4. So factors of 4 1 2 4. Similarly we have to find factors of 5. 5 is divisible by 1, sin 2 3 and 4 stable 5 is not there, therefore 5 is not completely divisible by 2 3 4. Sin 5 stable 5 is there, 5 ones are 5. So here we got the factors of 5 1 and 5. So we have to find common factor. So here only 1 is the common factor of these two numbers 4 and 5. Therefore we can say that 4 5 are coprimes, or pair 4 5 is the coprime numbers. Now let us see few more examples from practice set 10 in next video, and don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.